for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great, comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, power driver's seat, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.